Guys, so it is Monday morning and I'm on my way over to my mom's. My sister is still here from California and we are going today. She only has a couple more days here. She was supposed to be gone about 2 weeks ago, but she extended her stay, and because we were still going through the house and everything. And anyway, she's leaving in a couple days, and we are going to look for the tombstone today, or the headstone, for my mother and father. We decided we want to get one. They have a footstone, but we want to get, a bigger, something for the head of the grave. So we're going to go and do that, and maybe make a couple other stops. And then tonight we're going to get some pizza. I think we're going to try to get some Adriatico's, because a while ago my sister said she wanted some good pizza before she left. So Adriatico's is really good here in our city. So we're going to go and probably do that. And we'll see what else. So come along with us.
I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling.
Yes.
That just says the last name on it?
Right.
Okay, you get these, you can look at.
Those have to be specially ordered, and that's what we would normally put for our last name. The one without pilot, with that one out. We can put the last name and two people on it. So it's definitely big enough for what you're trying to do.
Hey guys, so it is Tuesday, and I didn't come back on yesterday, but yesterday, it's Monday. I was out and about with my sisters and my brother-in-law. We were looking for a headstone for my mother and father's grave, and come to find out they cannot have a headstone. And we found that out as we were going about at the different monument places, and they said, well, first we need to double check to make sure they can have. I'm thinking, like, can't have a headstone, I was confused. And they were like, yeah, the cemetery where your parents are, they are very particular about certain things. And even though the area they're buried in, there's a lot of headstones around them. Now, let me explain. My mother and father have a footstone already, which is at their feet, but they don't have a headstone, like the kind that stands up, and we wanted to get one for them. But my mother, she had already pre-ordered the footstone and all that. And so come to find out, once we double check with the cemetery, they can only have a footstone in that area because each grave is a different size. Each grave is a different size, different dimensions, and the area where they are is beautiful, of course, but it's a huge cemetery. It was the biggest cemetery in the country, if not the world, for the longest. And I don't know if it still is or not, but it is huge. But anyway, in each section of the cemetery, they have different rules and different specifications on what they can have in that area. So in the section my mother and father are, they have a lot of mixed grave sites, to where in one little area of their area you can have a headstone and a footstone, and then one area you can just get the footstone. So my mother and father's, they have a double grave, they're side by side. They didn't order a bigger grave. My mother just wanted a footstone for some reason. So, and we did not know she just wanted well, she did. My sister said, yeah, she just wanted a footstone, but we thought we could add a headstone. Anyway, the Meekins, which is another couple in front of my mother and father, their headstone, which they bought a bigger grave. So anyway, they have a headstone and a footstone. Their headstone is, which is a stand-up one, is right in front of my mother's and father's footstone, which is a flat one. So you cannot see my mother's and father's stone. unless you're right up over the Meekins. So that sounds so crazy, but anyway, that's the way it is. So we cannot get a headstone, and it is so disappointing. It's so disappointing for us. So anyway, we didn't end up getting one yesterday. That was kind of a downer for me. But anyway, I'm on my way over. My sister leaves tomorrow, going back home. And I'm going over. We got some errands to run. She needs to go to FedEx. I need to go to take our voter applications to the Board of Elections. And yeah, so.
Ah! Too hard. Good effort, good effort. Yes, come on back to him. Come on outside. There you go.
So Cindy's leaving today, heading back to California.
Look at that package.
I'm going to take her to the airport. Have any goodbyes for the camera?
Bye. I'll see you when I get back. I will be back.
Yeah.
Lord willing.
Lord willing. If the Lord tarry.
See fit.
Yeah.
The Lord tarry.
If the Lord tarry.
If the Lord say the same.
If the Lord say the same. If the Lord see fit.
Riding in the big girl seat.
All right. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday afternoon. I'm just leaving my mom's house. My sister, she just left. My oldest sister, and my brother-in-law took my sister from California. They're taking her back to the airport now. So I'm gonna give a big girl face on camera, but it's been a rough morning. It's been a rough morning because every time. Okay, so every time somebody leaves, it's like getting back to normal, because you have to go back to everyday life, like everyday life without our mother. So when the grandkids left, it was sad. You know, my brother from out of town and my sister from out of town, they were still here. So, you know, we could still be jovial, but we were still cleaning out the house and discovering memories. And that was sad, but happy at the same time. We were so excited to keep finding stuff, and it was therapeutic. And so now, and my brother has gone back home, and my sister is leaving now, and I'm thankful that my oldest sister is still here. You know, my niece Reese and AG, and you know, of course, my husband and children. So that makes it feel better, of course, because to have, you know, my rest of my family. But it's like when we were kept busy with different things when everybody else was here too. We kept going over to the house and visiting with them, and even though it's a sad time, we had a lot of laughter and good times, making new memories, and you know. But when people start leaving, going back home, it's we have to get back to, you know, life without mama, and not going over there to see about her. You start thinking more about mama. So, hey guys, so I made a spin on Birria queso tacos, and my husband loved them. So I'm gonna have to try to remember how I made them, because they always, him and the kids always say I make something real good. They love it, and then I change the recipe. So I'm going to make this again, and I will put it on camera because these are so good. His was made with fish, so I made him fish Birria queso tacos, and these are made with roast, so they're not traditional Mexican Birria tacos. They are I guess, well, I made mine with roast, so maybe they're a little bit of a soul food taco. I don't know, but I won't even say what it, but ooh, that's onion on there. You see that purplish pink, quesadilla cheese, and cilantro, and then some sauce that I mixed up myself. Oh my goodness, sour cream, and I'm drinking an orange soda. Isaiah and Chris already ate, and they're on their way to baseball. So yeah, delicious. And you cannot forget the lime juice. I am making burgers for me and Isaiah. I've already made one for Chris. So tomorrow we go for Isaiah's showcase, and I'm making my own trail mix. My husband loves this, so I am going to, I'm making him a bag of it. And I'll probably have some too, but just raisins, M&Ms, and peanuts. You can put other things in it, but this is just what I'm putting in for him today.
Yeah, oh, it'll be perfect today. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the afternoon. It'll be great.
Finish.
Go, 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 go. Push, push, push.
You got the head out the way.
Maroon, 67.